Hello and welcome to Vinnie's Maths, and today I'm going to show you how to work out a SATs problem. In this problem we have to find the missing numbers. So we know that 3 times something ends in a 2 because you can see that. And there's only one number in the 3 times table that ends in a 2, and that's 12. 3 times 4 is 12, so I'm going to put 4 in the box and carry the 1. Now you multiply 3 by 5, which is 15. Add the carry to get 16. So 6 goes in the box and you carry the 1. Now, 3 times something plus the carry gives 7. So 3 times something gives 6. We know that 3 2s are 6. So 2 must go in the last box.